Welcome to Home of Math. X divide x square minus 9 minus 3 divide x minus 3 plus x divide x plus 3. Our target to make it single denominator. So first here is x. This one we can write x plus 3 times x minus 3. How? Because x square minus 9 we can express x square and 3 square. So it's looking a plus b, a square minus b square, so we can write a plus b and a minus b. So here is nothing will be changed, x minus 3 plus x divided x plus 3. So for single denominator now we will take LCM, so x plus 3 and x minus 3. So here is x minus 3 and here is times x plus 3 plus x, and here is times x minus 3, right? Now look, here is x plus 3, x minus 3. Okay, so now for our next steps, here is x minus 3x minus 9 plus x square minus 3x, right? Then here is x square. Look, here is minus 3x, it will become minus 6x, and plus x, so it's minus 5x, and here is minus 9. Divide x plus 3 times x minus 3. Our math is done. By this video, our reference book Mathematics, first new syllabus, Mathematics 3 done. Chapter exercise 2H. Here is we complete 34 maths. Thank you very much being with me.